What's up, YouTube? Captain Will, Wilden RC. We've got a box. So let's pull it out and see what we got. Alright, here we go. This was one that I picked up off of eBay that was damaged. So let me throw it together and we will see how bad it is. Okay, so excuse my messy workbench here. Yep, it looked like it hit a tree. The wing was ripped off. I had to repair it in a couple spots. The right aileron was ripped off. I put some hinges in there, and the flaps, the outside of the flaps, this side and this side, I had to put hinges on as well. The tail, this is all that was in there, was this here. So I'm gonna wait and see if I get power to everything. If so, I'm gonna see if I can get another tail, and hopefully we can get this girl up in the air. Not too bad. It's missing a couple things. The little outlet exhaust tube for this side was all torn apart. I had to glue it back together. The wing right here was torn apart. I mean, you can see that it looked like it hit a tree pretty good. Tore the gear and everything. Both sides, the wing was hit pretty bad, but not too bad. I mean, the pilot got dislodged. I put him back in there last night. Yeah, I mean, it's got a little bit of damage, but hey, as long as she flies, right? Well, that's what I've been working on, you guys. Just want to keep you in the updates of what I got going on, and hopefully I'll have another one up soon. I'm trying to do a bunch of repairs and stuff so that I can get some stuff going and back in the air, like my F-16 over here. I need to put I got my front landing gear servo in, so we're going to try to get that up. And then the F-18 Blue Angels, I'm going to see what is up with the front landing gear on it and see how that's going to do. The F4, I am still going to update some servos on it. I didn't like the servos that I got for it, and that's pretty bird, and I don't want it to crash. So, but yeah, that's the update here. The Eflite A-10 Twin 64mm. I'm trying to revive from death. I bought it as a parts or repair, and you know me at Wilden RC, we repair just about everything. I don't mind putting in a little bit of work because she's coming back together. So, alright, you guys, please give me that thumbs up, leave me some comments, hit that bell for all so you know when we're posting new videos. Yeah, man, and yeah. Until next time, it's Captain Will, Wilden RC, and we're signing out.